Hi guys, I'm Philip. So now I'm gonna teach you how to draw L-shaped ceiling with two slight light curve or light curve. Okay, so we're gonna draw L-shaped ceiling now, ceiling L only. Simple lah, just click on here, go mobile, okay, then you click L shape now. Okay, so first thing you need to do is L shape. Okay, so I'm gonna make it this one I put 10 mm only. Okay, off the top 10 mm. Then here I'm gonna draw a rectangle. Okay, I make the L shape here. Okay, rectangle. So after to adjust the size, I may just click on the rectangle, press T. Okay, here I give it 600 lah as a gap. Okay, this one I give it 600 as gap. Okay, after that you may see something like this. Okay, let me see the 3D come down from the 3D, then move up a bit. Okay, see the line here. See the line here. Okay, now I'm gonna make this one go up lah. Simple, we do the opposite way only. Okay, just make this one come down. Okay, click on here, then make it 300. So you see something like this, L shape. Then after that, click on the line, generate light strip. Okay, click on the line, generate light strip. Okay, so your 3D here, you may see something like this. This one is a lighting. Okay, L-shaped ceiling with two slight light curve. Okay, two slight light curve. Okay, just simple as that. Okay, so if you want to see the lighting, you may just click render. Okay, simply give a name, lighting. Okay, save. Just for test lighting, then you can go for here SD, or simply click this one, simply click yes. Okay, so a few moments later, so this one is the L shape. Okay, this one L shape. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.